this place again. You may remember, or may not remember, because this was a very, very old video. I haven't been here in forever, and I'm long overdue for a revisit. So here I am back at this place here. I can't remember what the title of the old video was called, but I'll put the link to it in the description. So here is a revisit to this place. Oh, there was a startup from that Nordine. Awesome. Okay. Here's this first Nordine. That one got smashed up. It's running. 5-ton from 2015. Hope and scroll. Here's a Frigidaire Nordine. 2 Sweepling blades. Hope and scroll. Um, 5-ton from 2007. And then this one that just started up. 5-ton from 2011. It got all smashed up right there. Okay. So that one and that one are running. The Frigidaire has been running. So yeah, start up from that one. If you don't remember this place, I'll put the link to the original video in the description, but this is a revisit. Here's a Comfort Air inverter mini split. 3-ton. Here's a ream running. 2007 2.5-ton. Rude. It's a Rude. So, today is June 17th. Yesterday I went to the air conditioner heaven, and yesterday I said that today I would go to another place because today it's going to get up to 107. So right now it's about 12 o'clock p.m. right now, and it's about 95 degrees right now. And later this afternoon I'm going to go to a different place other than this place and film more units when it's like 107. So right now it's 95 and these units are running. And later when it's 107, I'll go to a different place and that'll be in the same video. So yeah, that's an explanation of what's going on. Very quiet compressor on that. Here's a Lennox Merit running. 2015 2.5-ton. Or no. That's a 5-ton. 2015 5-ton. It's putting out very hot air. This one's running too. – 2012 2.5-ton. Then another ream or Rude. 2007 2.5-ton. Then here's these refrigeration components. They're both running. And then up here, here's a Lennox and a Weather King running. These are like pretty much all running so far. Lennox Value. Scroll compressor. Cold and sweaty. 2008 3-ton. And here's this very shaky Weather King. Look how much that's shaking. That fan is pretty off balance. Yeah, there's that running. There's a lot of trash right there. But yeah, it's a Weather King. And then here's this old Weather King running. Bristol reciprocating. 2003 2.5-ton. The line is cold and sweaty in there. And then here's this Linux mini split, and a Rude. That's running. I mean, that's off. This Rude is off. 2007, 2.5 ton. All right. There's that thing up there. I don't know what that is. And then these twos are running full pack. And then these, all these are running. Yeah, back to the Nordines one more time. See if any of these turned on. Yep, the Frigidaire came on. And this one turned back off. Yep, that one is back off. I got a start of it, but it turned back off pretty quickly. This Frigidaire came on. And that one's still on. Alright. There's more units at this complex here. I'll go and film those next. Alright. See you later. Okay, I just filmed right over there. Here's these two. A Weather King with a Bristol. And then a Linux Merit with a Copeland. (2003) 4-ton. And a Linux that replaced a Concept 10. Cold and sweaty. 2018 5-ton. Here's those two. And then around the corner here is a Ream. Which is off. It's a Rude Achiever. It's not been running. I'm surprised. 2005 310. Alright. So yeah. And then over there, I'll go and film. And then over there, that place was actually a separate video, but I'm gonna do it all in one video this time. Then don't forget, later today I'm gonna go to another place where it's gonna be really hot later. So up there we go. Okay, you may remember this video. This unit here. I thought this was a Payne teardrop last time, but somebody corrected me that it was a circular carrier Cobra. So that's what this is. This is a rare unit. 1995 4-ton. Here's this running. And this carrier Comfort. 2018 4-ton. So yeah, here's those two carriers running. Then another one of these carrier round units that I thought were Paynes. It has been running. I don't know if I can get a start though. 1994 4-ton. And then down here here's a Ream that's running. Oop. Well, this one just started up. So yeah, I did get a startup. I don't know. I don't think the camera was able to hear it. Yep. There's that one running now. It just did start up. I don't think the camera heard it though. So here's this angry sounding Ream. (2016) 5-ton. Then here's a Linux. Oh, this one's running. It's really quiet. Linux Total Comfort Systems. It has a really, really nice sounding Tecumseh reciprocating compressor. Nice and cold and sweaty. Ooh, that's... Oh, never mind. I thought that was frozen. This is a 1995, let's see, 2.0 2.5 ton or something like that. It's a 29,000 BTU, which would be a little less than a 2.5 ton. So 2 point something ton. But yeah, I love the sound of that compressor. Very awesome sounding compressor. And then here's this, which has not been running. A Carrier Comfort 2016 5 ton. So yeah, the video of just these units here has been uploaded already. You may remember that video. I'll put the link to both of these old videos in the description of this video. And then over here are some Luxairs, which are not on. I need to make a video of those sometime. But that's a church, and there's a lot of Luxairs there. None of them are running. So yeah, that's it for this part right now, for the noon visit. But later in the afternoon, at maybe like 1 or 2 p.m., when it's going to be like 105 degrees outside, I will go to another place. So yeah, there's that, and that, and that. Alright, out for now. Alright, I changed my mind. I'm going back to one more place, and then I'll be over and out for today, later today. So this place is also overdue for a revisit. The Clock Store air conditioners. Here's this Goodman running. I will also include the link to this old video in the description too. Here's this Tech 2000. That's running. And then this Tech 2000, which has not been running. And then originally there was that Goodman and then 3 Tech 2000s, but one more Tech 2000 got replaced with this. There's a new Goodman here. 2021. 4 ton. So this is a brand new 2021 Goodman. Nice. It's been running. Here's this old Tech 2000 that's really shaky. That's really shaky. 1998 4 ton. Okay, so just 2 units are running here. This Clock Store place was also long overdue for a revisit. So yep. I'm done filming for right now, and then I'll come back to another place later today in a couple hours when it's hotter. Alright, out for now. Okay, I'm back at another place later today on June 17th. It's like 105 right now. You may remember this place. Yeah, the 2 Carrier 38B YC heat pumps are running in cool mode. Here are the 2 Carriers running in cool mode. I got this one starting up in cool mode and that one defrosting. Here they are running in cool mode. Both of them are running in cool mode. Sweaty. Cold and sweaty. Those are putting off the heat load. Yeah. The 2 Carrier 38 BYC heat pumps running in cool mode. And here are these units. Both of these are running too. The Nordine is really loud. I've never seen this one. I've never seen these running before. That is the hottest air I've ever felt coming from a unit. 4 ton from 2003. Really rattly. And here's the Dakin. Nice, cold and sweaty. The You can barely hear the Dakin over the Nordine. This is a Frigidaire. This one's compressor is really quiet. Yeah. So all 4 of these are running. Alright, here are these. Let me try to get to them here. The weather makers. That one's running, that one's running. That one's off, and that one's running. This one still has not gotten cleaned. Nice and cold and sweaty. Wow, these grasses have grown a lot. So yeah, that little comfort is on. That's not been running. Here's this weather maker running. Nice. And here's this. Okay. Here's these 38 CKCs. None of them are running. That's been running now. I don't know about that one. Here's these. Okay. One more set of units and then out. Alright. And then there's those. There. So that one CKC that was still there got replaced with a new Train XR, which you can see right there. So I'm gonna park my bike and quickly try to get up to those. See? There's a new Train XR right there, the one farthest to the right. And then the 3 Comforts are running. Alright. Man, it is so hot out here, holy crap. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this compilation of units filmed today running in 95 and 105 degree weather. This is the hottest it's ever gotten here since I've lived here. Alright, that being said, over and out. Hope you enjoyed.